Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? My name is Muhammad Sajid. I am from Pakistan. I completed my memorization of the Holy Quran in 2005 and complete my Tajweed course within in 2 years in 2007. I finished the traditional Islamic studies curriculum from Jamia Darul Uloom Karachi in 2016 and complete my MA Islamic Studies from the University of Sawat. For the past 8 years, I have been continuously teaching Quran, Tafsir, Tajweed, Urdu, Hifz, and Islamic Studies in various institutions. I have 1 year experience at Government Postgraduate Afzal Khan Lala College, Matta Swat, and 1 year experience at Government Degree College, Vinay Swat. If you are interested to hire me, I am ready for demo anytime, inshallah ta'ala. God willing, will you receive education and training together?